Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a highlighter text effect using the CapCut app. Follow these simple steps to achieve this effect. Step 1. Set up the background. 1. Open CapCut and create a new project. 2. Tap on stock videos, then add a white background to your timeline. 3. Go to the Canvas menu, select color, and choose the highlighter color, e.g. yellow. 4. Tap the white background clip, reduce its size, and move it off screen until it disappears. Step 2. Capture a screenshot and add your media one. Take a screenshot of the blank background. 2. Tap the ++ icon to add your image or video where you want to apply the highlighter effect. 3. Delete the white background clip. 4. Adjust the video ratio size as needed. Step 3. Apply the highlighter effect 1. Open the overlay menu and add the screenshot you took earlier. 2. Use the crop tool to remove unnecessary areas. 3. Open the blend menu, select darken, and adjust the size of the highlighter color until it fully covers the text. Step 4. Adjust and animate the highlighter one. Open the mask menu, select rectangle, and refine the position and size to highlight specific text. 2. Add a keyframe at the start and end of the clip, adjusting the position and size accordingly. 3. To smoothen the animation, tap the graph icon and choose Ease Out 1. Step 5. Duplicate for more text. To highlight multiple parts of the text, copy the effect, place it below, and adjust its size and position to match the new text. Step 6. Export your video. Once you're happy with the result, save your video. And that's it. That's how you create a highlighter text effect using CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.